Please stand for the pledge. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Joey, and let's get into the Hawkview announcements. Quinta High School is hosting the first annual Playwriting Festival, and events take place May 13th at 6:30 and it's free to get in. There'll be a color guard workshop on May 13th and 15th from 4 to 6. If you have any questions, contact Mr. Cordova at Christopher.Cordova at desertlands.us. Attention Blackhawks, Mrs. Leon has partnered with the EF Tourists to launch a credible educational and travel opportunity to Japan with Tokyo Disney Sea Park in spring break 2027. The meeting will take place on Thursday, May 22nd and 5 p.m. virtually. And make sure to RSVP using the link on the flyer in the BLACKHAWK bulletin to receive the meeting URL. For more questions, see Mrs. Leon in room 353. Attention seniors, once you decided what college or university you will be attending, please stop by the Registrar's office and see Ms Estrada to pick up and complete the Final Transcript Request form as soon as possible. Attention Blackhawks, starting Monday, May 12th, the library will be closed during lunch, and the last day to borrow library books will be Friday, May 13th. Please plan your visits accordingly. There will be a meeting of the International Thespian Society on Friday at lunch in room 303. See you there, and now it's time for sports.
What's up Blackhawks, I'm Patrick and let's get into today's sports. Spring water polo will be starting on Tuesday, May 13th at 4 p.m. in the pool complex. All students must be athletically cleared prior to May 13th. Please see flyer for additional information. Athletic physicals will be held on Thursday, May 29th at 4 p.m. for $25 in the main gym. Don't miss out on this chance to get it done. Many La Quinta spring sports teams have qualified for CIF playoffs. Stay tuned for information on upcoming games. Have a great day, La Quinta.